If you're trying to verify your age on X, formerly Twitter, and you're not sure where to start, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'll also show you what to do if sensitive content is still restricted after updating your birthday. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your X account. Once you're signed in, look for the More option in the left-hand menu. This is where X keeps a lot of the account and privacy settings, so it's the right place to begin. Click More, then choose Settings and Privacy. From there, go into your account. On this page, you'll see several account-related options, but the one we need is Account Information. Click that to continue. At this point, X may ask you to enter your password. If that happens, just type it in to confirm that it's really you. This is a normal security step, so don't worry if you see it. After that, click Date of Birth. Here, you can check your current birthday or update it if it's incorrect. Make sure the date of birth you enter is accurate, because this is what X uses to determine age-related access and restrictions. Once you've entered the correct information, save your changes. If X asks for any additional verification steps, follow the instructions on the screen carefully. In some cases, X only requests age verification in certain situations, so your account may be prompted to confirm details depending on what you're trying to access. Now, if you're over 18 but you still can't view sensitive media, there's one more thing you may need to adjust manually. Go directly to the X content settings for what you see. In that area, look for the option that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content and turn it on. Then, also check your search settings. On the same screen, you may see an option to hide sensitive content. If that setting is enabled, toggle it off so you can see more content that matches your age settings. That's really the full process. The key steps are logging into X, opening your account information, updating your date of birth, saving the changes, and then checking your content settings if sensitive media is still blocked. If you were able to verify your age on X using this guide, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That helps a lot, and it also lets you know when I upload more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.